Suzanne's starting up the SL, 71 SL.
The wheels lock. There we go.
Here we go.
Becker radio works. Not very good, but that's normal. Okay, we're going to chase that Shelby down the street.
Yeah, that we are.
There's a beautiful Ferrari over there. You tell everybody about this car. Okay, this car that I'm driving is a 1971 280 SL Pagoda, and it's beautiful. So I'm going to put it in gear.
It's automatic.
It is automatic. And we're going to chase this Shelby right out of here.
And I got a guy. Bye, girls.
Bye.
See ya.
We got a guy in Alabama going.
We're videotaping us, so we're doing selfies in the car.
Leaving the Ferrari show in the SL. It was cool being the only SL.
Cool being the only Mercedes.
Mm-hmm.
Very fun. Penwoods Winery.